स्वागत है टारगेट एम्स जोधपुर चैनल में। आज हम करेंगे नर्सिंग रिसर्च एंड स्टैटिस्टिक का बीएससी नर्सिंग फोर्थ ईयर का 2010 जो मई में पेपर हुआ था यानी कि इसी 2010 में भी मई में पेपर हुआ था और अभी जो हो रहे हैं एग्ज़ाम वो भी मई में है। बहुत अच्छी बात है। चलो पहला क्वेश्चन तो जो डेफिनेशन और नीड दी हुई है और जो एरिया दिया हुआ है वो हमने पहले वाले पेपर में देख लिया था, सेकंड भी हमने देख लिया था। Explain in detail step involved in research project. Discuss the role of nursing graduate and postgraduate in nursing research. Role of nurse, BSc nursing and MSc nursing in nursing research. The role of nurse in research were identified by ANM यानी कि American Nurse Association in 1981 per level of education of nurse. There are mainly role that nurse can assume in association with research project. There are role of nurse in nursing research. Role of nurse in nursing research क्या क्या है? सब है subjective participant in study, subjective participation in study, principal investigation, member of research team, identify of research problem, elevator of research finding, use of research finding, patient client advocate during studies। ये सब कुछ रोल है नर्स के। The latest revision of American Nurse Association guidelines describe the expanded role of graduate and postgraduate nurse are following role of BSc nursing in research। आइडेंटिफाई क्लिनिकल प्रॉब्लम्स, कोई भी क्लिनिकल प्रॉब्लम है उसको आइडेंटिफाई करना और रिक्वायरिंग इन्वेस्टिगेशन, फिर उसके हिसाब से उसका इलाज करना। पार्टिसिपेंट इन द इम्प्लीमेंटेशन ऑफ साइंटिफिक रिसर्च, और पार्टिसिपेशन करना जो भी इम्प्लीमेंटेशन हो रहा है साइंटिफिक रिसर्च में। असिस्ट एक्सपेरिमेंट इन्वेस्टिगेशन, और असिस्ट करना, एक्सपेरिमेंट करना इन्वेस्टिगेशन को टू गेन असिस्ट टू क्लिनिकल साइड। रिस्ट एवेलेट रिसर्च फॉर एप्लीकेशन टू नर्सिंग प्रैक्टिसेस, यूज नर्सिंग प्रैक्टिसेस एज ए मेन gathering data for referring and exiting practices। Infuses the selection of approaches, method of the data collection, apply stabilities finding of nursing and another health related to nursing practices, share research finding with collections। Role of MSc nurse in research, analyze and reformulation nursing practices problem so that scientific knowledge and scientific method can be used to find, solve, assist, collaborate with principal, investigate in problems development, in data collection, in data analysis, in data interpretation, enhance quality and clinical relevance of nursing research, providing expertise in clinic problems, knowledge about the way in clinic which clinic services are divided, approaches the clinic relevance of research findings, facilitate or create a criminate supportive or investigation activities, scientific study of clinical nursing problem, provide leadership for applying finding into nursing practices, collaborate with other in investigation process, and enhance nursing assist to data and client, investigate for the purpose of monitoring the quality of the nursing practice in clinical setting, enlist the type of measure and explain the graphic method of presentation, राइट द इनिशियल ऑफ राइट रिसर्च रिपोर्ट। टाइप ऑफ मेजर्स, सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन क्या है, टाइप्स ऑफ मेजर एंड एक्सप्लेन द ग्राफिक मेथड ऑफ द प्रेजेंटेशन। टाइप ऑफ मेजर्स में क्या लिखेंगे, मेजरमेंट इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ असेसिंग, मेजरमेंट क्या होता है, मेजरमेंट इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ असेसिंग नंबर्स और लेबल्स टू ऑब्जेक्टिव पर्सन इज accordance with specific rule to represent quality and quantitative and qualitative of टर्बी बुलेट्स। लिस्ट ऑफ द टाइप ऑफ मेजर स्केल्स हो सकती है, नॉर्मल स्केल्स, ओरिडेंट स्केल्स, इंटरव्यू स्केल, रेशियो स्केल, रेटिंग स्केल में ग्राफिक इंटरमीडिएट और रैंकिंग स्केल में सिंपल रैंकिंग, पार्शियल रैंकिंग। फिर जजमेंट स्केल, सोशल डिस्टेंस स्केल, ट्यूनिंग डिफरेंस स्केल्स, टर्म्स एनालाइज स्केल, लिकेट स्केल, फैक्टोरियल स्केल, सिमेंटिक डिफरेंस स्केल, एटीट्यूड स्केल। क्वांटिटेटिव मेजर में है ऑब्जर्वेशन, डिलीट, ये क्या है, इंटरव्यू, फोकस ग्राफ इंटरव्यू, कंसेंट एनालाइज, साइकोलॉजिकल मैनेजमेंट यानी कि प्रोजेक्ट टेक्निक्स, वर्क एसोसिएशन, सेंटेंस कंपोजिशन, स्टोरी कंपोजिशन, प्राइजरी टेक्निक, साइकोलॉजिकल बायोलॉजिकल मेजरमेंट। एग्जाम्पल टीपीआर, बीपी, कलेक्शन ऑफ प्राइमरी डाटा, सोनोग्राफी, एक्सरे, लेबोरेटरी इन्वेस्टिगेशन। इट में बी in window and vitro graphical method of data presentation. A graph is used to present fact, interpretation of facts or theoretical relationship to communicate knowledge from the auditory to rather advantage of graphical presentation of data. It provide a pictorial representation of result that is easily understand than a step of a tabular result. Particular usually for exiting the signification of result. Rules of represent data in graphical form. Graph should have title or caption that explain what data are begin presentation in graph. Both axes for graphical should be labeled to clean experience what variables is associated with each axis. Number of point marked on each axis should be reasonably sample. The graph should be grain within the boundaries corresponding to minimum and maximum data values. Use specific notation to avoid paleting to make digit and graph. Example, use 5x 10 की 5000. Use symbol O त्रिभुज. Data point do not use when severely crave are plotted on the 1 gram difference line. Solid deceive. This dons should be used for each lettering on graph should be had to minimum for cleaning to much test. Create curving on confusion type of graph. There are grand type of graph data presentation. Example, line graph or an bar graph. Line bar, line and bar graph. Line, their graph are particular useful for displaying changes and are ideal for showing recurrent over time. Example, temperature chart, जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च, अप्रैल, मंथ, ऐसे करके इसको निकाल सकते हैं. कॉमन एयर इन लाइन ग्राफ Presentation is in omission of any discontinuity in scale is in a way. Example, 1 point of x and 16. The discontinuity between 0 to 16 should be manifold. There is no limit to the number of points on a line graph. The greater the number, more accurate the interpretation. It is advised to limit the numbers of line graph on any one graph to 1 to 6 for clarity. बार ग्राफ में क्या होता है? इट इज़ मोस्ट कॉमनली यूज ग्राफ. इट इज़ यूजुअली व्हेन ट्राइंग टू कवर द concepts of preset. Largest means this who are meeting the targets, or this how not बी वर्ड ए बी सी. फिर क्या है? 10 12 30 40 50 60. टेक इज 1 2 3 3 से कम. Unlike line graph, it may be discontinuous in the y-axis as is necessary to show the discontinuity in each of bar. When drawing bar graph, it is important to keep the width of base consistent because bar are the main source of information. 100 200 300 400. नंबर ऑफ ओपिनियंस 2000 2001 2002 2003. हिस्टोरिकल है. बार charting is done when x-axis label are two longest display composition that do not involve time. Histogram, line bar histogram. It can be drawn the continuous data. It is a type of frequency distribution where number of the source in each categories representation by vertical columns. देखो ये दिया हुआ है 2 4 6 15 25 45 45 55. For descriptive data the bar graph for following number of सी melanin in मेल पेशेंट फीमेल पेशेंट ज़्यादा ऐसे करके. फिर पी चार्ट आर circular in overly circular in divided in sigma represented by data. The P represented the data will using P chart to display result. The visual impaired should be keep in mind, so it is best to limit the number of a segment and ensure that no segment represent यानी कि 5 से कम % of data. The labeling of each segment should be done carefully. Generally percentage are placed outside and adjacent to the segment, but links is also used to define the measuring of set of segment. Indirect cause: severe bleeding, infection, eclampsia, obstetric labor, unsafe abortion. Others direct causes. फिर है पिकोग्राफ या पिक्टोग्राफ. Pictograph are the graph or diagram used for presenting in ungraphed statistical data in pictorial यानी कि picture. From the pictorial presentation of data is usually better than the description in word and figures. वर्ड है ए बी सी. वार्ड नंबर ऑफ पेशेंट ए में 100, बी में 80 और सी में 60 नंबर ऑफ पेशेंट. ऐसे कर लिए ए बी सी. सी में कम है, बी में ज़्यादा और ए में ज़्यादा है. 1 वार्ड 20 पेशेंट. इनिशियल ऑफ राइटिंग रिपोर्टिंग ये 6 नंबर पे है, देख लिया हमने. इन मेट्रियस वेरियस टाइप ऑफ डाटा. वेरियस टाइप ऑफ डाटा के बारे में लिखना है. डिस्कस मेथड ऑफ डाटा कलेक्शन. डाटा कलेक्शन इज ए कंसिडेंट. डाटा कलेक्शन क्या है? डाटा कलेक्शन इज कंसिडेंट द सोल ऑफ स्टडी. डाटा आर प्राइस ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन दैट आर gathered in effect to solve research question type of data classification according to research design. क्लासिफिकेशन अकॉर्डिंग टू रिसर्च डिज़ाइन में क्या होता है, क्वालिटेटिव एंड क्वांटिटेटिव. क्वालिटेटिव डाटा में क्या होता है, क्वालिटेटिव डाटा आर इन नैरोविट फ्रॉम, यानी कि इन फ्रॉम ए वर्ड रेदर देन नंबर. Quantitative data tends to be rich and complex and more difficult to analyze than qualitative data. Their data not cognitable and non-measurement. These data are collected by using a flexible and unstructured approaches. Example, the mood effect changes over time in psychiatric patient in hard to measure in quantitative way. So the researcher has to rely on the subjective data. Sentence such as I feel pro-red, I feel good, I am depressed. This the qualitative data needs subjective decision. Quantitative data, these are objective data. Data can be objectively measured. Data can be measured and do not require interpretation. Researcher use structure method and formular instrument to collect data. Quantitative data are the integrated and analysis statistical method. Classification according to level of measurement. Normal data, oriental data, interval data and ratio data. Classification according to level of measurement. Normal data, it refers to name or categories of phenomena which cannot be treated numerical. Their category subject according to some articulate, example general or blood group. Oriental data which may be ranked according to some hierarchy system such as test score. Different ranking can be compared statistical in various way by rank. Thermatial have to numerical values, example first, second, third rank. Interval data which have numerical value and can be manipulated mathematically. In interview data, can actual number value is given to each point on scale. Interval scale do not have a manipulate zero but may be exist to in, for example Fahrenheit temperature. Ceiling scale. Ratio data, to observe ratio data is necessary for the measurement scale to have a manipulate zero. There are highest level data because it provide information gathering, order of team and scale. Interview between item, elevation of objective, example weight for height, age for height. Data may be classification following: continuous data, categorical data and textual data. Continuous data measure are that can be taken on the any whole or distal values within a given range, example age, height, weight. Or categories data measure are this that can taken only a limited number of values with a given ranges, such as family size. Text data are this recorded and written or spoken description. Data are rich and flexible but much attention is needed to their consist and measuring. Type of data according to source: primary and secondary source. Primary, this data collected for the first time by researcher for the specific study project. Secondary, data previous gathered for some other purpose. There are readily available and do not require data collect tools. Investigation, other classification: personal data, investigation data and territorial data. Personal data में age, sex, caste, religion, opinion, attitude, intelligence और इंस्टीट्यूशन डाटा में origin, historical growth, resources, organization, demographical, geographical, method of data collection. Data collection is the most important and most changing changing step in research process. The method by which data are collected depend upon research design such as quantitative research or qualitative research, experimental or non-experimental research, the size, speed of sample, the unit and the scale of survey, the education level of participation, the deep type of the required data, the available of skilled manpower. फिर है method of the data collection, तो from clinical record journeys, secondary data observation, projective techniques, experimental method, non-experimental method, biophysical method, case study, penal method, longitudinal self-report through questionnaire, interview, observation. Observation method are the techniques of the data collection through the direct observation of the people, behavior, communication, characteristics, and activity. The observation can be made by directly observation or by indirectly observation. In quantitative research, structured observation methods are used to record an observation. Example, rating scale, checklist to measure dimensions such as behavior, to record appraise frequency of duration, pre-select of behavior if need, carefully observation of the behavior of action. In quantitative research, the researcher are minimum of researcher important, unstructured and minimum interference with this. Being observed, people are observed in natural social setting. Researcher may narrow it decisive note after the observation. This mode of the data collection is appropriate for certain type of population such as dementia patient for certain type of behavior, sleepwalking behavior for nurse patient relationship of patient with dementia type of. This method can be used in both experimental and social research type of. The observation is structured and unstructured, participated, quasi-participated and non-participated observation, control and non-control observation, advantage of the observation and disadvantage. The method is independent of response willingness to respond, suitable for candidates who are not capable for giving verbal reports, subjective basis in limited observation done, actually information in current not complete by post behavior or further interaction. Disadvantage, expensive method, information provided in very limited, unpredicted factor may interfere with observation. Judgment, rear or basis can be undermine the quality of data. Feeling, attitude, belief cannot be observed. Self-report या experience method through questionnaire and interview. Self-report involve data collection through direct questioning of people about their opinion, characteristics, experience. Represent may be gathered orally, by interviewing, on writing, by getting participation to complete or written text. Interview or quantitative interview method. The data collected by presenting stimuli to the response in the form of questionnaire for eliciting response from the type of the interview. Structure, interview. The structure set sequence of the questions asked to all participants using quantitative research design in instrument in Formal, the interview read in usually exists as a uh, there appear in list of the question and structure method. A method of interview when question can be changed to meet in intelligence level and understand level of the response. Use in quantitative research design. Researchers do not have a special set of the question in specific orders. Interview start with some general question or allow the participant to explain the story in natural conventional way. Example, conventional discussion of topic, focus interview, some specific issue, experiment or event is taken considered interest or general aspect of the situation. Example, conversion guidance by a broad topic guide. Behavior interview, uh, situational interview, phone interview, one to one interview, other टाइप ऑफ इंटरव्यू, ग्रुप पैनल स्कैनिंग। फिर इसके एडवांटेज और डिसएडवांटेज है। फिर एक क्वेश्चनरी करके कर सकते हैं, जनरल क्वेश्चन टाइप। फिर इसके भी एडवांटेज और डिसएडवांटेज है। फिर डाटा कलेक्शन थ्रू द बायो मेजरमेंट में कर सकते हैं। स्टेप इन कंडक्टिव केस स्टडी, डिफाइन लोकेशन ए केस टू बी, डाटा ऑफ कलेक्शन, ट्रीटमेंट, इंटरप्रिटेशन। इसके भी फिर मेरिट्स एंड लिमिटेशंस है। सोशियोमेट्रिक सर्वे मेथड, पैनल मेथड, प्रोजेक्टिव टेक्निक्स में हम रोल प्ले कर सकते हैं। मेथड ऑफ डाटा कलेक्शन, प्राइमरी डाटा कलेक्शन, सेकेंडरी डाटा कलेक्शन, ऑब्जर्वेशन, सेल्फ रिपोर्ट, केस स्टडी, प्रोजेक्ट टेक्निक्स। सोशियोमेट्रिक बायोफिजिकल मेथड, सर्वे मेथड, कलेक्शन ऑफ सेकेंडरी डाटा, पब्लिक्स ऑफ सेंट्रल, स्टेट, लोकल गवर्नमेंट, पब्लिकेशन ऑफ द इंटरनेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, जर्नल्स, मैगजीन्स, रिपोर्ट एंड पब्लिकेशन, रिपोर्ट ऑफ रिसर्च, शेड्यूल, रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, पब्लिक रिकॉर्ड, हिस्ट्रियन एंड हिस्टोरिकल डॉक्यूमेंट, पर्सनल कलेक्शन फ्रॉम इंडिविजुअल, आर्टिफिशियल लेटर्स, न्यूज़पेपर, इन सब से हम कर सकते हैं। स्विच वेन डाटा कलेक्शन, एक्चुअल इम्पोर्टेंट ऑफ नर्सिंग रिसर्च। Research is an important tool for the continuous development of body of knowledge in nursing. Body of knowledge in nursing research help in generating information from nursing research. It further help in definition role of nursing as a professional. Nursing research enable nurse to know about particular nursing situation about which later information is known. Research enable nurse to assess the need for new intervention, which when nurse use evidence based practices means use research finding into clinical decision. It demonstrate their professional accountability of their patient. Nurse research facilitate the evaluate of effective of nursing services. Nursing research facilitate the nursing practice which may articulate the role of nurse in healthcare delivery system. Research allow nurse to make more informed decision to each phase of the nursing process. Nursing research help in achieve reduce cost of the healthcare and the cost contaminated of healthcare facilities. It avoid trial and error and shape of the intervention. Research enable nurse to identify factors that must be considered while planning nursing care, predict the problem nursing outcome of criteria nursing decision, promote approaches patient behavior, enhance patient health control and understand outcome. However, nursing is a profession. Nursing training share to some exact criteria of professional: body of knowledge, intelligence, high education, human and social welfare, autonomy, code of ethics, are elite इंडिविजुअल पर्सन डेवलपमेंट, इकोनॉमिकल सिक्योरिटी, प्रोफेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। अब इन सब के अंदर लिखना है जो इधर से पढ़ के हम लिख सकते हैं। नर्सिंग प्रोफेशनल में बॉडी ऑफ नॉलेज याद रख लेंगे, इंटेलिजेंसी याद रखेंगे, फिर इसके अंदर तो हम लिख ही लेंगे इंटेलिजेंसी, हाई एजुकेशन, वुमन एंड सोशल वेलफेयर, ऑटोनमी, कोड ऑफ एथिक्स, एल्ट्रुइज्म, पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट, इकोनॉमिकल सोसाइटी, पर्सनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। ये अपना पेपर ख़त्म होता है। थैंक यू सो मच।